What's up guys, Ty here with Lifetime Leather, and today I'm just going to show you a little bit what we got. This is the bag that started it all for us. This is our Lifetime Leather Classic Toiletry Bag. This thing is full grain leather, fully lined inside, washable, water resistant. This one's embroidered. The embroidery has embroidered here and embroidery on the tabs. Heavy duty YKK zipper, leather pull tab. These make great gifts. If you can only have one thing from our shop, you should definitely have one of these. You'll use it forever. We've spent a lot of time, energy, and money designing this bag to never fail. We found every weak spot in this classic timeless design and totally engineered it to be absolutely bulletproof. If you can break one of these bags, I would be astonished. But if you do break it, warranty's right here. You just send it back and we fix or replace it for free. We can say that confidently. We know it's not gonna break.